Morning Tasty Nation, Mark Horn Trader here. Sorry I've been quiet. I've been very sick. Um, it's been going around, I guess, but and so anyway, I just want to kind of let you guys know what I've been seeing. I have this cough that I just can't get to go away, so I will be sure to edit that out. But let me kind of field some questions on and by the way, if you have any questions, put them in the comments down below, and I'll do another video the next day answering those questions from here. But let me address some of the questions I've been getting messaged with lately regarding Tasty Works, or just general stuff. Of course, the biggest question I get asked is, what do I think the market is going? And the answer I will always give is, I don't know. You know, I just want volatility to be in place. But here is the charts that I share with people. Again, if you would like a copy of my charts, I'll send them to you for free. Please just like and subscribe my channel. It should be down here or at the end of the video. Write me a comment at the bottom, and I'll get them over to you. Send me a message to you. I think you can send me just a message here with your email address, and I'll be sure I send those out to you. Okay, and I apologize in advance if this current video is choppy. I'm pausing when I can't, when I cough and stuff, so I apologize. It's going to be a little choppy. All right, so here's a daily chart of the SPY. As you can see, it's weird, I don't cough until I start talking. This is crazy. I apologize. All right, as you can see, it's my 6-month chart right here. All right, and as you can see, my OBV chart is red, which means there's not a lot of buyers out. There's still more sellers than there are buyers. Yet, as you can see, I'll zoom in right here. We had this nice sell-off, nice orderly sell-off, and then Jesus, it kind of went. I'll zoom in like right here. Kind of a nice steady sell-off, and then it went to crap right around here. It just shot above these highs, and it kept on going higher. But you know what's weird about that? You didn't see a whole lot of volume. Like, it didn't go green here. It went green here, and of course your normal slow stochastic that everyone watches goes here. But I really watched this. Okay, to me this is a leading indicator, meaning yeah, the market's going up, but it's not a solid bet higher. But what really killed everybody, well, it's not true if you've been trading the way I've been teaching you here, even the free stuff. See this nice IV rank collapse here? Everybody made money. Now the good part and bad part is it's hard to put on a lot of big heavy trades, because with IV rank sitting at, where are we, 6? You know what I mean? That's just, crazy. So, but as you can see, it's teetering out. So what I'm hoping is, yes, there was this little rally up here, didn't go green. It's at the top, meaning it's overbought. I'm hoping this will come back down and increase IV rank so we can start putting on more trades. A question I get asked is, Mark, can I put on trades now even with IV rank this low? Yeah, you can, but you need to realize that the arithmetic is working against you, and you want to trade smaller during these times, okay? Because you want to make sure you have cash on the side to take advantage of any IV rank pop. So let me zoom out real quick, and here's what I mean. All right, so this could definitely turn over, okay? And it's right now, basically, it's been kind of flat the last few days, right? If I zoom in back again, flat. Okay, so where do I think the market will go? Well, I mean, geez, we gotta have some balance here, but what do I know? No one knows anything, and this is really low. And after that French vote thing, I heard IV ranks collapsed a lot even further. Let me go into the 15-minute chart, which is right here. So 5-day 15-minute chart. Well, I mean, it's staying above this solid white line, which is the 233 EMA for myself, but it's getting really close to being tested today. Man, it has not. Let me zoom in real quick. After hours highs around here has not broken above after hours highs, and it did go below the lows. So now my next test, we'll see if it can break below here, which is Monday's low, and we're not there yet. So we could have an inside day. An inside day meaning it'll trade between here and here today. That's an inside day. So, you know, we shall see. Let me look at IWM real quick. Let me wait, hold on. Let me zoom out real quick. Yeah, see, here's the low and the high all the last 5 days, and then from there, kind of petered out. Momentum stopped either way. It didn't go higher, didn't go lower. So, this is SPY. Let me show you IWM. Whoops. Okay, IWM is a lot more interesting. Still yet, IB rank is low as crap, but hopefully we get some sell-off here, and this continues. And I'm looking for an IB rank pop. Look how low it is. It's at, where are we? Jeez Louise, 8.4 from here. When this almost got to 50, and it dropped. Okay, so when this happens, and you've been selling puts or your golden geckos here, you're making money, because when that's the neat thing about golden geckos. You can even make money when you're wrong about direction, because your IB rank collapsed, and that's how you know you can collect all that money. And as you can see, though, it's been kind of flat, right? Here's the, what is this? Here's after the election last year, right? And here's year to year, the new year started here, right? And ever since the new year started, we've been, you know, nothing too exciting. Here's year to date. Here's the beginning of the year right here, and we started right around here. So yeah, we're definitely up after that range, but I'm looking for a definite correction here. See, it's turning over here, red, blue, and this should come down. And when this goes down, IB rank should go up, and we can start putting on new positions again. Okay, or you can put on positions now. Just know that the odds of them going against you are a little bit higher, so go small because IB rank's so low. All right. Again, a lot of people ask, why do you call it a golden gecko? Well, because if I call it a golden gecko, anyone who's been following my videos knows what I'm talking about. So a golden gecko is a specific trade. So here's SPY. Anyone who's been following me knows a golden gecko is not just an iron condor, it's a specific type of trade. What you do is you go to strategies, you go to iron condor. All right? Anyone who's following me knows it's a specific trade. Closest to 45 days to expiration. And you're going to sell the 1 standard deviation put and calls, and you're going to buy the 2 standard deviation put and calls, which means your short put and calls should be as close to 84% as possible. Like this. And you can play with it a little bit, but you know, the great thing about Tastyworks is it'll get you right there as close as possible. All right, and the outside should be 2%. So I don't have to tell you the strikes. All you got to do, whatever platform you're using, that's all you need to know, and it'll go there. Expiration, you know, closest to 45 days, and here we are. In fact, today is closest to 45 days for the SPY. So that's another great thing about this. All right, and as you can see here, you have a 72%. You can collect $70. You have a 72% chance of making at least a penny. And you have an 84% chance of collecting at least 50% of your max profit. The reason why it's so low is because look at IB rank, 6%. Okay, so if you're going to do this, good, go for it, but just trade small. Don't have to do a real big trade in the beginning. You want to wait for IB rank to be in your favor to do that. All right, and the same thing goes with any underlying. So the golden gecko is a specific trade, and it's been proven to work, especially. And you don't have to do this if you're in a non-qualified account. You can do a regular strangle, but at least this defines your risk, and it's a great way for beginners to start learning. All right, and you can do the same thing in IWM. Whoops, sorry guys. In IWM. Okay, so again, just go to strategies, go to Iron Condor in Tastyworks. It'll memorize everything for you. See, so all you gotta do is hit go and boom. And here, so you zoom out a little bit, and there you go. Okay, can collect a little bit more money, 86% chance. This is really a great way for people who are new to start off. All right, so today is perfect 45 days expiration. So it sucks that IB rank is low, but it's a good time if you're learning to put on your first trade, something really small. Let me double check what's going on in the market real quick. We'll stick with IWM, but let me check the 15-minute chart. Yep, there we go. This is great. Okay, hopefully it continues. Let's check SPY. Not as good, but hopefully it'll break down towards the end of the day. Okay, so hopefully this breaks down. So again, sorry guys, I've been just not feeling it, but today's 45 days expiration. Perfect time to put on some trades. But go small, because we could see a downturn here, and that'll cause Ivy rank to pop. So your positions that you do put on when Ivy rank is this low will get tested. All right. Have a good day. Any questions, put them in the comments. Interested in private coaching, there should be a link somewhere at the end, at the bottom right or something. Anyway, I'm available. Just hit me comments and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. Thanks. Bye.